Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm taking you guys along with me to relax my hair. Okay, so it's been over 6 months and can you spot my new growth? So let me take you through a little bit of history about my hair. Okay, so in over a year and 6 months I had my big chop. I decided to just get a I wasn't planning of going natural. I just wanted to have a cut, so I did cut my hair to this. And after wearing it for a while, I realized no, I like my hair. I like long hair. Okay, so I decided to grow my hair back, and I started doing that, shampooing, deep conditioning, and all that. And I relaxed my hair 3 months after that, and this is how my hair was looking like. And since then, that was in September last year, and I haven't relaxed again. We are in March 2024, and this is how my hair is looking like. All this is my new growth. So if you're interested to know how I'm going to relax this afro here by myself, stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay, so I have my hair parted into 4 sections, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Vaseline to my edges and to my ears and around the back of my nape. I'm not going to apply the Vaseline to my scalp here because I've already been basing my scalp with oils whilst my hair was in cornrows. So moreover, if I do that, my relaxer don't really take, so I'm just going to apply the Vaseline on my edges and around my nape. And if you see me looking here, I have my mirror there, so pardon me.
It is advisable to take the relaxer that you'll be using out of the relaxer tap just so that it don't contaminate the rest of your relaxer, and that's what you see me doing over here. And then I went ahead to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the relaxer just to make it less potent so that it doesn't overprocess my hair. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to relax my hair.
Okay, so usually when I do my relaxers, this part of my hair, the middle part doesn't really take well, so I'm going to start the relaxer process from there and then move it downwards just so that my back can relax whilst I do the front. So I'm going to start with the back. Okay, so I did the first half off camera and I'm going to do the second half with you just so you guys know how I go about it. So I will start applying the relaxer all around that section, and then I'll go in and part it into smaller sections and apply the relaxer throughout my hair. And this is so important. As you can see, I'm not bringing the relaxer right to my ends because my ends have been relaxed, even though it didn't take, but it has been relaxed before. So I needed to relax the new growth first, and then later on in this video you're going to see me extending the relaxer to my ends. And I don't always extend the relaxer to my ends except when the previous relaxer didn't take, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. So I'm done with the back sections, and then I go ahead and smooth all the relaxers throughout my hair. I'm doing the last section also with you guys, and this is how I go about the front section of my hair. So yeah, after applying the relaxer, I'm just go ahead and smooth as well. And note that I'm smoothing with just my fingers. I'm not using no comb, no brush, nothing, just my fingers, and it's going to be okay. If you use a comb, your hair will burn. I mean, your scalp will burn. So yeah, this is me just smoothing, extending the relaxer to my ends, because the previous relaxer again did not stick. That's why I'm extending it to my ends. Next time when I relax, I will not extend it to my ends. So after applying it throughout my hair, I just went ahead and parted in smaller section and smooth it out. And that's the most important thing in this whole process, smoothing. If you don't smooth, your relaxer will not take. So go ahead and smooth. Okay, so now I have my shampoo in, my neutralizing shampoo. Don't forget to always use a neutralizing shampoo. Don't use just any shampoo. Make sure it is written on it a neutralizing shampoo, and this is the one that I used. I will leave the shampoo on for about 10 minutes just to make sure that it neutralizes every relaxer that is in my hair, so that my hair doesn't over process. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I shampooed 3 times with the neutralizing shampoo and left the shampoo in my hair for about 25 minutes altogether. I first did 10 minutes and I did another 10 minutes and I did 5 minutes just to make sure that all the relaxer is washed out of my hair. And this is how my hair is looking like after everything. It is not bone straight, and that's exactly what I wanted. I didn't want it to relax too straight. I think I have some in the process going on here, but let's see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my conditioner to it. I'm just using my hand and going all over my hair. Don't forget your edges, because you relax your edges as well. So apply some conditioner to my edges, and then to the back of my hair as well. So this is also a protein treatment from ORS, and since I used their relaxer and their neutralizing shampoo, I decided to also go for this. It is a protein treatment, so since I've relaxed my hair, the relaxer have broken down the protein bonds in my hair, so I opted to go for this. And it's a must to always use a protein treatment when you relax your hair, just so that it can bring back some of the protein that the relaxer have broken down from your hair and make it strong, just so that you can be able to retain the length that you grew throughout your stretch. Okay, so the instruction says to leave it on for 15 minutes, but I don't know, I'm gonna leave this on for about 45 minutes to an hour whilst I find something to eat, because I'm hungry. And then after that I'll wash it out, and yes, I'll come and show you guys how my hair looks and how my hair feels when I'm done washing this out. Okay, so yeah, until then, I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks after washing out the conditioner. As you can see, this side is quite relaxed and it's having just a little bit of texture in it, and I like it. I don't want my hair to be bone straight. I like to leave some texture in it so that it can be healthy and thick, and that's exactly how I want it to be. But this side is a little bit under process, so I'm just gonna give it some time, and I'll go back in and relax this part again, because looks like it's the part that I relaxed last, and the relaxer didn't really take well at that side, so I'll go back in it and relax again. But I'm just gonna give my hair some time to rest, and yeah, I'll go back and do that again. This is the back. This is how it looks at the back. I think it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section whatever you think about this video. Did I do well? Should I have done something that I didn't do? What do you think? Just let's discuss, okay? Comment in the comment section below whatever you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.